This is All India Radio. The news read by Abhishek Kumar. 3 bills, including one on Aadhaar, were tabled in the Lok Sabha today. Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad introduced the Aadhaar and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2019. It will replace an ordinance issued in March this year and proposes stiff penalties for violation of norms. The bill seeks to amend Aadhaar, Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies, Benefits and Services Act 2016, the Indian Telegraph Act 1885 and the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. The bill also proposes to give children an option to exit from the biometric ID program on attaining 18 years of age. Minister of State for Home G. Kishan Reddy also introduced the Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Amendment Bill 2019. The bill seeks to further amend the Act of 2004. It proposes to give reservation in educational institutions and government jobs to people living within 10 kilometers of the international border in Jammu. The bill will replace the ordinance promulgated in this regard. Commerce and Industries Minister Piyush Goyal meanwhile introduced the Special Economic Zone Amendment Bill 2019, replacing the earlier ordinance. The bill seeks to further amend the Special Economic Zones Act 2005. It proposes to allow trusts to set up units in SEZs. Both houses of parliament have taken up the motion of thanks on the president's address. The motion was moved by Union Minister of State Pratap Chandra Sarangi. He said the centre and the states should work together for the progress of the nation. The debate in the upper house was opened by the newly appointed BJP working president JP Nadda. President Ramnath Kovind had addressed the joint sitting of both the houses on the 20th of this month. The parliament session will continue till 26th of July. The Supreme Court today sought response from the centre and the Bihar government within 7 days on the issue of the deaths of more than 100 children in Muzaffarpur due to the outbreak of acute encephalitis syndrome. A bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and B.R. Gavai directed the Bihar government to file an affidavit on the adequacy of medical facilities, nutrition and sanitation and the hygienic conditions in the state. During the hearing, one of the lawyers told the court that similar deaths had occurred earlier in Uttar Pradesh. The court took note of it and directed the state government to file its response as well. The matter has been posted for hearing after 10 days. Meanwhile, in Bihar, a preliminary survey in AES affected areas there reveals that poverty and malnourishment are key reasons behind the deaths of children in Muzaffarpur and adjoining areas. The centre has chalked out a plan to provide CNG and PNG infrastructure in 406 districts of the country. Replying to supplementaries in the Lok Sabha, Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Dharmendra Pradhan said, till 2014 only 66 districts of the country were covered under compressed natural gas and piped natural gas infrastructure. He said the government is expanding it to the other cities. Mr. Pradhan said after this expansion, 70% of the population will get clean energy. The Bahujan Samaj Party BSP has decided to contest all elections in future alone. After meeting her party workers in Lucknow yesterday, BSP chief Mayawati today said in a tweet that behavior of Samajwadi Party SP after the recent Lok Sabha elections was the reason behind her decision. She said the move will benefit her party. Ms. Mayawati said BSP made an alliance with SP even after the anti-Dalit policies and poor law and order situation during the Akhilesh Yadav regime. Air Force Chief B.S. Dhanoa has said AN-32 aircraft will continue to fly in mountainous areas till the Air Force finds a replacement. An AN-32 aircraft had crashed recently in Arunachal Pradesh, killing all 13 people on board. Addressing a seminar in Gwalior today, the Air Chief Marshal said the Indian Air Force is in the process of getting more modern aircraft, which will be put in a critical role once received. On the Balakot airstrike, the Air Force Chief said, after Balakot, Pakistan Air Force did not enter the Indian airspace. Our correspondent reports that the seminar was conducted to commemorate the 20-year anniversary of Indian Air Force strike on Tiger Hill during Kargil operations in 1999. During the event, Mirage 2000 fighter jets participated in the recreation of Tiger Hill attack during the war. A flypast by various aircraft like Sukhoi 30, Mirage 2000, MiG-21, Jaguar and advanced light helicopters was also undertaken. And that is the end of this news bulletin.